Hello guys, today I want to show you the way I prepare my Nigerian fried rice, and do watch with me. To this is your first day in my channel guys, you are highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys all. Hello guys, let me show you the way I prepare my Nigerian fried rice. You can see all the ingredients here now. You can see that I have onions here, I have some spicing and some vegetables, and carrots, and green beans, rice, ground oil, salt. You can see there here, and I also have crayfish. You can see all the ingredients I want to use. The ingredients, they are all listed here guys. And then now you have to watch with me. Let me show you the way I prepare my Nigerian fried rice. You can see the green beans now. The green beans is on fire already. I've turned it. You can see them, the green beans and the carrots and the green pepper and the red, all of them are parboiled there already. Both the green beans and the carrot and the red pepper, all of them are parboiled there already, so that everything will just be easy for me. I just want to cook them just easy way because I already slide everything. You can see now both the rice. I find the oil already, the ground oil. I fried everything together already. You can see because I mix everything together, because when I fry it, you just pour the rice inside and turn it. You can see now I've turned it now. You can see I've turned all the ingredients together in the rice. You can see them. I've turned it together, all of them, and the green beans and carrot and slicing red pepper and green pepper, they are on fire already, because everything I just want it to just be easy for me. You can see there now the color of the rice, because everything I'm mixing together. This is where I prepare Nigerian fried rice. But you know, many people cook their own way different, but this is the way I cook mine. I only prepare my dish different. And here is the chicken. Everything I fried already. There's the chicken already. I fried everything together. You can see there. I just prepared there because I just started early. I fried everything together. I sliced everything together before I start to slice all the whole onions and the carrots, because you can see them the rice. Now I'm still turning the green beans. You can see it now. I'm still turning it so that everything will look delicious guys. You know, I cook my dish different guys, because this my Christmas fried rice. It's my fried rice. I just take over the kitchen today and say I'm the one that will prepare this fried rice, because now you can see the fried rice is ready. I have to take some of the carrot and the green beans and everything, so that I will mix them, because I can't just turn everything together, the green beans together with the rice. No, I have to shuffle them. I see now I'm turning it so that it will look delicious. I have to put some too. This one is just an example. This is going to prepare fried rice, because you can't just put everything together with gravy, because you have to shuffle them so that breeze will enter the fried rice. Thereafter you can just put them aside so that breeze will enter, because you will not cover the fried rice. You have to leave them till dawn, because breeze need to enter, and without breeze I will get spoiled. You know, that is when I prepare mine. Now I have to put some ingredients inside again, the green beans and carrot and the red pepper and the brown pepper. I have to put them to still mix them together. This will prepare fried rice, because you can't put everything inside. You can see it, because the color will change. You can see the color now, it's changed guys. This is when I prepare my Nigerian fried rice guys. You can see it. I just go for the kitchen today. Let me support the family today, so that to know how to prepare Nigerian fried rice. My first time preparing it. but I know that it's not easy to slice everything together, to slice and then combine them together, because it's not easy, guys. Because I just trying this out now. You can see the rice is ready to eat now. The fried rice is ready to eat, guys. What are you waiting for, guys? Come and join me to enjoy my Nigeria fried rice. And I promise you that try this at home and I will not regret it. So this is your first day on my channel, you are highly welcome. Guys. This is your first day on my channel, you are highly welcome, guys. Subscribe to my channel so that you see the next video that I will upload, guys. Bye, I love you. Merry Christmas.